Hello, great minds. Yeah, I'm excited that you are here today. I have some questions for you on the Surds. Let's look at how we are expected to solve this problem. Okay, now the first question, you have to find r if square root of 3r plus 5 equals to 14. So how do you solve this problem? Now, the first thing, let's write out the question. We have 3r plus 5 equals to 1, 4. Okay, that's 14. So now the next thing is to square both sides. So because you have to do away with this square root. So when you do that, you have 3r plus all square equals to 14 square. Okay, so this will eliminate this. So we have 3r plus 5 equals to 196. Okay, so you subtract 5 from both sides. So that gives you r equals to 196 minus 5. Okay, so we have 3r equals to 191. Okay, so here you divide both sides by 3. So you have r 191 over 3. So r equals to 3 goes in 19, that is what? 6. With the 1. So in 11 we have 3. Okay, so it remains 2. So 2 over 3. So this is the value of r. And that's how to solve the problem. Okay, now let's look at the second question. Now before we solve the second question, if today is the first time you're watching me and you have not subscribed to this channel, please ensure you do that. Share this video with your friends. Okay, all right. The second question, you have to evaluate 1 over square root of 2 plus square root of 5 minus 1 over square root of 2 minus square root of 5. Okay, so now you find the LCM of the denominators. Okay, so the LCM of the denominators is square root of 2 plus square root of 5 times square root of 2 minus square root of 5. Okay, so the multiplication of these two terms. Now, square root of 2 plus square root of 5 goes here. Once it cancels this, so you are left with this. This multiplies 1. So you have square root of 2 minus square root of 5. The same thing also applies to this. So this goes here, cancel this. So you are left with this. So you have negative. Now you have to be careful here. You must open the brackets. So you have square root of 2 plus square root of 5. So that's what you have. Okay, so now we have square root of 2 minus square root of 5. Now open the bracket with minus. We have minus square root of 2 minus square root of 5. Everything all over. Now when you look at the denominators, the denominator we have here is difference of 2 squares. So this turns to square root of 2 square minus square root of 5 square. Okay, since they are the same thing and they have opposite sign, so the same thing, this expression we have is the same thing as this. Okay, all right, so now this cancel this, so we have minus 2 square root of 5. That's what we have in the numerator. Now let's look at the denominator here. So when you square root of 2, that gives you square root of 4. And square root of 4 is the same thing as 2. So we have 2 minus 5. Okay, so and that gives you what? Minus 2 square root of 5 over minus 3. Okay, so that is going to be the answer to the problem. All right, I want to believe you've learned one or two things. Ensure you share this video with your friends and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done that. And don't forget to tap the like button. Thank you.